Hi and welcome to Sparkle Chart.
Hello gorgeous people, it's Kate here. Today I'm just going to show you a really quick project. Now by now you've probably figured out that I rather love my planners and I really like holo along with sparkles. So today I have my mini Minc machine, some of the beautiful iridescent Minc foil, and I am expecting my first subscription to Happy Scrappy box. So it comes with these super cute little printables. Now this is one background printable, a rainbow printable, and I've just added some text to the top and I've just cut it down to size to fit in my little A6 Stalogy notebook. So it's going to be my front page. All I have to do now is put my little printed design into the folder. Goes with the Minc. Place the foil in here with it. Make sure it's covering my image. Now make sure that the foil is the side up that you are expecting to see on the printed design when you're finished, not the back. So it should be pretty side up. And close it back up again. Now I've got the little Minc Mini set on setting number 3. I've waited for it to heat up and it's now green and it has bleeped at me, so I know I'm ready to go. You just have to feed it very gently into the hole on one side and wait for it to pop out beautifully on the hole on the other side. Now, by a little bit of movie magic and speeding things up, this is my finished planner title page. Is it not super cute? That holo is just absolutely gorgeous. And I am so chuffed with how it's turned out. So this is going to be the very first page in my beautiful A6 Stalogy, and hopefully that will make next week's planning all that much prettier. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick little look at the Heidi Swapp Minc and of course the stunning Kate favourite iridescent reactive foil. Turned out super pretty and I think that's the perfect front page for my planner. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you Heidi Swapp, thank you Stalogy, and thank you Happy Scrappy for the gorgeous, gorgeous printables. Love it.